Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So after long days I have come up with a new review video. So today I'm going to share with you about one cough medicine. As you can see here, it comes in a full red color plastic packaging bottle. So guys, the name of this syrup is Chericof syrup, which is manufactured by Sun Pharma company. So this syrup must only be taken and only when it is prescribed by a doctor. So this medicine is mainly used for treatments of cough and cold together if you have. This is basically made up from three types of content, that is dextromethorphan hydrobromide, chlorpheniramine maleate, and then phenylpheniramine hydrochloride. So this bottle contains quantity of 100 ml, in which the price for this is 108 rupees. Its shelf life given is for about 2.5 years. So friends, this syrup is taken when you have serious coughs, and due to cough, the mucus gets stuck in your throat. So to treat those symptoms, doctors prescribe this syrup for you. So guys, in this video, we will get to know more details about this cough syrup. We will get to know that if doctor prescribe you this medicine, then how you should use this, how many times it can be taken in a day, and also get to know what are its more benefits and then what are its correct uses. So to get to know all that, please do watch the video till the end. So friends, as I have already said that Chericof syrup is a combination medicine which is used in the treatment of dry cough. It fastly relieves symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, and throat irritation. It also provides relief from congestion or stuffiness in the nose. Also friends, it is advised that this Chericof syrup is meant for use in adults only and never to be used for children, because this Chericof syrup has high contents of Mg, that is dextromethorphan has 10 Mg, chlorpheniramine has 2 Mg, and phenylpheniramine hydrochloride has 5 Mg. Otherwise, in case if you want this same kind of syrup for your children, then it has got separate Chericof for children as well, which is called Chericof Junior syrup. So it's just a slight difference. So you need to know the right one whenever you go to purchase this for your children. Now let's talk whether this serum has side effects or not. So if you take this medicine or give this medicine to your kid without the advice of a doctor, then you might definitely fall in some side effects. Like if you take it in the wrong way, you might face side effects like itchiness or swelling of the face, peeling skin, tightness in the chest, headache, fever, skin rashes, etc., and all that, whatever causes you ill. So these are some common side effects you can face if you take it without the advice from a physician. So guys, always try to take the medicine carefully according to your doctor's prescription, so that you can treat yourself in a right way. How to use Chericof syrup? So this Chericof syrup can be taken with or without food as instructed by your doctor. That means you can take this syrup before having meals also, or after taking your meal also. Now let's get to know how does this syrup works. So how this syrup works for cough is that it has three combinations of medicine. The first one, phenylpheniramine, works as a decongestant which narrows the small blood vessels, providing relief from congestion or stuffiness in the nose. Second, chlorpheniramine works as an antihistamine by blocking the action of histamine, a substance responsible for causing allergic reactions. And then lastly, dextromethorphan works by blocking the transmission of nerve signals from the cough center in the brain to the mucus that produce cough. So all these three combination of medicine finally helps to provide relief from dry cough or wet cough. So friends, that's all about my today's review video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If so, then don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Also give it a big thumbs up if you like my video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my newly updated videos, because I come up with all kinds of product reviews in my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.